In this video, we take a look at the web interface of IMI Pneumatex. This is used to log data, monitor and remote control BrainCube Connect devices via the internet. This applies to all IMI Pneumatex products using the BrainCube Connect control unit. Visit the connect.imihydronic.com website using your computer. By clicking Sign Up, you can create a new account. Fill the form, tick the terms of use and privacy policy, then click Sign Up. In the top right corner, you can change to other languages. Log in with your email address and password. Select from the drop-down menu one of your registered devices. See separate video about registration. In this section, left-clicking on the screen acts if, as standing in front of the BrainCube Connect, you touch the screen of the control unit. For scrolling on the screen, click left, hold and drag with the cursor. Communication needs 2-3 seconds to refresh the screen. Click once, then wait few seconds for the screen to update. If you want to adjust the settings remotely, don't forget to disable the keylog. You would see an orange IMI Hydronic logo instead of the BrainCube screen if remote control is not enabled on the unit or the unit lost connection. The bottom left graph shows current pressure and level readings real time. Analysis tab shows historic data, the measured system pressure, the water level in the expansion vessel, and messages on a timeline. Hold left mouse button and select a time frame to zoom in. Moving the cursor on top of the graph will show the precise values at that given moment.